Hi friends, this is your lesson 26 exit ticket. So this right here is our number path. You should have learned about that in your learning video. This is a tool that you can use to help you when solving these subtraction sentences. Okay, so we know that a subtraction sentence is whole minus part equals part. So you will see that there are three subtraction sentences. Don't let this one confuse you, okay? It's just written backwards, okay? So you're going to use this number path to help you solve these subtraction sentences. Now, friends, you learned in your learning video that it is easier to count on using this number path, okay? So we don't want to start with the whole, right? We want to start with our part. So for this one, you would start at 5 and you would count on to 7 and see how many hops you made, okay? So we want to know what 7 minus 5 equals. Use the number path to help you solve these three subtraction sentences. Again, if you need to listen to this again, go ahead and restart. Also, on these lines over here, you're going to write the addition sentence that matches this subtraction sentence, okay? So these are the subtraction sentences. I want you to write the addition sentences that match this subtraction right next to it, okay? So 7 minus 5 equals blank. I want you to turn that into an addition sentence once you figure out what part you're missing using your number path.